Yellow Book. Number 1. One who specializes in all kinds of fishes and their characteristics, developing expertise in A. Ichthyology, B. Entomology. A. Ichthyology. 2. Branch of science that deals with the study of the relationship between plants, animals, and other living things found in their habitats. A. Ecosystem, B. Ecology. B. Ecology. Which of the following best describes the science of ecology? A. Living things, B. Life and environment. B. Life and environment. Blank is to insects as toxicology is to blank. A. Etymology to toxicity, B. Entomology to poisons. B. Entomology to poisons. 5. Which of the following is not a type of cell? A. Sperm, B. Virus. B. Virus. 6. Which of the following does not have eukaryocytes? A. Bacteria, B. Fungi. A. Bacteria. What do you call the organisms who only eat plants and algae? A. Herbivore, B. Omnivore. A. Herbivore. In the energy pyramid, which organisms occupy the base? A. Herbivores, B. Producers. B. Producers. 9. What do you call the consumers that directly feed on producers and get the greater amount of energy? A. Omnivores, B. Herbivores. B. Herbivores. 10. At night, plants conserve blank and restrict blank intake. A. Water and oxygen, B. Water and carbon dioxide. B. Water, carbon dioxide. 11. Arthropods exhibit fast and coordinated movement because they possess A. An endoskeleton, B. Jointed appendages. B. Jointed appendages. 12. Plant cells differ from animal cells in that only plant cells possess A. Lysosomes, B. Cell wall. B. Cell wall. 13. What functional group differentiates chitin from cellulose? A. Carboxyl group, B. Amino group. B. Amino group. 14. Which of the following does not exist in carbohydrates? A. Hydrogen, B. Nitrogen. B. Nitrogen. 15. Which of this is not a multicellular organism? A. Human, B. Amoeba. B. Amoeba. 16. Organisms that can manufacture their own food are called A. Autotrophs, B. Heterotrophs. A. Autotrophs. 17. Which of the following is not used in the manufacture of food by green plants? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen. B. Oxygen. 18. Commensalism, or common good, is when A. Neither species affects the other, B. One species benefits while the other is unaffected. B. One species benefits while the other is unaffected. 19. Living and feeding on leaves by the caterpillar is an example of A. Parasitic, B. Predatory. A. Parasitic. 20. Which of the following statements is true about parasites and their relationships with their host? A. The host enjoys the benefits of a relationship in which the parasite is harmed or killed. B. The parasites enjoy the benefits of a relationship in which the host is harmed or killed. B. The parasites enjoy the benefits of a relationship in which the host is harmed or killed. 21. What relationship exists between frogs and fishes in a pond ecosystem? A. Predation. B. Competition. A. Predation. 22. An owl and a hawk both eat mice. Which of the following of these terms describes the relationship between a hawk and an owl? A. Mutualism. B. Competition. B. Competition. 23. Which of the organisms is cold-blooded with a dry, scaly skin? A. Frog. B. Lizard. B. Lizard. Animals which live on land but return to the water to breed. A. Reptiles. B. Amphibians. B. Amphibians. 25. Bamboo is classified as A. Bush. B. Grass. B. Grass. 26. What type of body covering makes up a mammal? A. Shell. B. Fur. B. Fur. 27. Birds have shapes that influence the building of aircrafts. What feature is most present in airplanes? A. The presence of hollow oblong body. B. The presence of wings. B. The presence of wings. Note: mitosis, healing wound; meiosis, cell division, sex. 28. Butterflies and mosquitoes have mouth parts in the form of a long, narrow, coiled tube called A. Mandibles. B. Proboscis. B. Proboscis. Proboscis is the nose of mammals. Noses of mammals. For example, an elephant's nose. 29. Which group of organisms cause red tide? A. Algae. B. Dinoflagellates. B. Dinoflagellates. 30. The molecules that contain an organism's genetic makeup called A. Nucleic acid. B. Genetic membrane. A. Nucleic acid. The nucleic acid contains the DNA and the RNA. Now I won't give any choices. I will go straight to the answer. But I will give you time to answer. 31. The part of a plant cell that stores water, sugar, and minerals. Vacuoles. These are storage bubbles. 32. Which among the following are duplicated during the process of mitosis? Chromosomes. 33. Which of the following does not contribute to the variation in population? A. Mitosis. B. Crossing over. A. Mitosis. Mitosis, again, healing wound. 34. Which of the following means development of egg without fertilization? A. Parthenogenesis. B. Meiosis. A. Parthenogenesis. 35. Diploid cells have 2 copies of chromosomes. These 2 copies are called homologous. 36. Which among the following is the only method of contraception that has 100% success rate? 100%. Abstinence. 37. At present, a patient fights cancer either through surgery or by subjecting him to a drug treatment called chemotherapy. 38. If carbohydrates are hydrophilic organic compounds, lipids are hydrophobic organic compounds. 39. Which of the following is not a source of carbohydrate? Meat. 40. Which of the following is an isomer? Isomer means same formula but different arrangement. Of glucose. A. Fructose. 41. Sugar and starches are called carbohydrates. 42. The four most essential element needed by the human body: nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. One more time, please. Nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. One more. Fantastic. 43. Which of the following is a vitamin? Niacin. 44. The number of calories in a food indicates the amount of energy that can be obtained from the food. 45. The chemical process of getting energy from the food and using it to maintain the structure and function. Metabolism. 46. According to the level of organization, which is at the highest level? Biosphere. Listen to the levels. I will start from the lowest to the biggest, to the highest. First is individual. Next, population. Next, community. Next, ecosystem. Next is biome. And finally, biosphere. So we have 6. Again, individual, population, community, ecosystem, biome, biosphere. One more time. Individual, population, community, ecosystem, biome, biosphere. 47. The flow of water in our planet as it undergoes the processes of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, runoff, and subsurface flow is called water cycle. 48. It is a common observation that mushrooms thrive a few days after lightning strikes. Which among the following biogeochemical cycles is involved in this process? Nitrogen cycle. Plants absorb dissolved nitrates from the soil and convert them into free nitrogen. 50. Global climate change is being attributed to the atmospheric increase in what two gases produced by human activities? What two gases? Methane and carbon dioxide. So methane is produced when people raise livestock. 51. Acid rain occurs when sulfur released in burning fossil fuels combines with water in the atmosphere. 52. Which of the following sentences about greenhouse effect is incorrect? So, greenhouse effect is due to gases that absorb the green region of light from the sun. That's incorrect. 53. Which of the following group of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide and methane. 54. Opening of cement plants requires a DENR clearance. Which of these clearances are required? Environmental clearance, or ECC. Plants need carbon dioxide, water, light, and chlorophyll in order to make starch by photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide enters plants through holes in the leaves called stomata. 56 asterisk. Which part of the flower develops into the fruit? Ovary. 57. In addition to ATP, what are the end products of glycolysis? Glycolysis is the breaking down of glucose. NADH and pyruvate. A plant growing on a shady side of a tall fence bends around the corner of the fence toward the light. This illustrates positive phototropism. 59. What is the storage cell of plants? Parenchyma. Parenchyma. 60. Cell walls present in plant cells are made up of which compound? Cell walls present in plant cells are made up of which compound? Cellulose. 61. Which of the following nutrients is incorrectly paired with its function in a plant? Iron, component of chlorophyll. 62. We have energy responsible for life on Earth. The source of this energy is the sun. 63. Who is the father of genetics? Gregor Mendel. 64. Damage to DNA that is not repaired and then replicated can result in genetic disorders. This demonstrates mutation. 65. Which of the following base pairs are complementary to each other in a DNA molecule? Cytosine and guanine. 66. Generally identical organisms are known as clones. What is the technology being used now in the surgery of the retina? Laser. 68. He coined the term survival of the fittest. Spencer. 69. He evolved the theory of evolution in his book, Origin of Species. Darwin. 70. The origin of the modern man? Sapiens. 71. Which of the following is the correct sequence from the oldest era to the latest? Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. One more. Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. 72. The evolution of life forms on Earth has been dependent on the rate of change occurring in different Earth environments. 73. Which of the following sets the condition under survival occurs? The environment. 74. What wave patterns of the EEG are active in an awake person? Alpha and beta wave. 75. Which system defends the body against infectious diseases? Immune system. 76. The liquid portion of the blood is the plasma. 77. Which of the following blood types is regarded as a universal donor? O. 78. Blood types AB and O can safely be given to a person with blood type AB and O. 79. On an average, how many liters of blood a human body have? 5 to 6 liters. 80. White blood cells, the skin, and the antibodies are similar because they protect the body against certain harmful organisms. 81. Which structure closes the opening in the larynx while we are swallowing? Epiglottis. Myopia is connected with eyes. 83. Bile is produced by the liver. 84. What do you call that wave-like contraction of the wall of the esophagus which is responsible for pushing down the food to the stomach? Peristalsis. Peristalsis. 85. Which blood vessels carry blood back to the heart? Veins. Remember, arteries, arteries away. So it carries blood away from the heart. But back to the heart, towards the heart, veins. 86. Which of the following is a thigh bone? Femur. 87. Considered as essential to human life as it gives us framework and support to protect the vital organs and other structures of the body. Bones. 88. Which of the following parts of the circulatory system distributes the digested fats such as fatty acids and glycerol throughout the body? B. Lacteals. Lacteals. 89. Which hormone promotes the development of secondary male sexual characteristics? Testosterone. Apparently, the loss of weight of objects immersed in fluid is due to buoyant force. Which of the following is not a source of energy? Inertia at rest. 92. Which law of motion could explain what happens every time we walk? Law of interaction. 93. Which of the following does not cause the different seasons? Evolution. So, one cause of different seasons is the tilting of the Earth's axis. 94. Why do we see the sun rise in the east? The Earth rotates from west to east. The Earth rotates from west to east. The Earth rotates from west to east. 95. What important metallic elements are found at the inner core of the Earth? Iron and nickel. 96. Iron is what type of magnetic material? Ferromagnetic. Which of the following is a mixture? Salt water. A change in the shape or size of an object can be classified as physical change. 99. The result when there is lack of cohesion among gas molecules. Molecules move freely in all directions. So lack of cohesion among gas molecules is molecules move freely in all directions. 100. Which of the following statements represents a physical change? Frozen mango juice melted when left standing at a room temperature for 30 minutes.